The GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station is a game-changer for breakfast enthusiasts, offering a delightful combination of functionality, versatility, and health-conscious design. This breakfast station is a multifunctional powerhouse that adds a pop of color to your kitchen while making breakfast preparation a breeze. One of the standout features of this appliance is the healthy ceramic non-stick coating. It's reassuring to know that your breakfast is being prepared without harmful substances like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The non-stick performance is impressive, making cooking and cleaning up a hassle-free experience. The 3-in-1 design is a thoughtful arrangement that includes 2 upper griddle compartments and a convenient toast drawer. This design allows you to create a full breakfast spread in one place, saving time and energy. The dual griddle compartments enable you to cook 2 different items simultaneously. The bonus bread drawer is a practical addition, allowing you to toast 2 slices while the rest of your meal cooks above. The built-in timer is a helpful feature that eliminates guesswork, ensuring your breakfast items are cooked to perfection. The Cook and Amp Look feature with the tempered glass lid lets you monitor your creations without losing heat, contributing to precise cooking. Safety is a priority with the cool touch handles, enabling you to handle the appliance with ease. The sturdy base with rubber feet ensures stability on the countertop, preventing any unwanted movements during use. The colorful cooking option adds a touch of vibrancy to your kitchen, turning breakfast preparation into a cheerful ritual. The convenient storage and compact size make this breakfast maker a practical choice for kitchens of any size. It doesn't crowd the countertop and is easy to store, making it an excellent space-saving solution. In conclusion, the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station is a stellar addition to any kitchen. Enjoy worry-free, delicious breakfasts with this all-in-one breakfast solution.